everybody, this is a Lamley Showcase, a very special Matchbox Showcase / 2019 preview. But let's start with what you're looking at. You were looking at the last 3 Matchbox Toy Fair exclusives from 2016, 2017, and the 65th anniversary year, 2018. These are special preview models given to retail reps when they visit Mattel this time of year for the Toy Fair. That's a time for them to showcase 2019 product of all their brands, and they give these people in attendance a little bit of swag. And that's what these models are. Well, the 2019 preview is on. The Toy Fair is happening. And I have for you today the 2019 Toy Fair model. And it is a beauty. An upcoming 2019 new casting. So this gives us a chance to see the Toy Fair model and also do a 2019 new model preview. At least of this one. This is the Porsche 911 Rally. We saw an early prototype of this from the gathering in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And now it is time to look at a finished Porsche 911. Now, this is not available to the public. These will not be in stores. These will not be available through hobby dealers. These are only given to those that attend the Toy Fair. Invitation only. Think Walmart, Target, Kroger, any sort of store. They get to go and see what's coming from Barbie, Hot Wheels, Matchbox. And like I said, they can walk away with these special models. If one of these reps decides to put it up on eBay, that's how you can get it. This model was sent to me by Mattel. I appreciate that. It's very nice of them to do that. And it gives them a chance for me to show off what is coming in 2019. So they said, show it off, John. And that is what I am doing. Porsche 911 Rally. I think we have all been excited about this one. We're just going to get right to it. Well, first off, should we look at the other ones? This is the Geo Rescue. You can see a lot of marketing mumbo jumbo to get people excited about the brand. Blah, 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 blah. We won't have to read all of that because it's, push the limits of this and that. This is the Geo Rescue, Romanian rescue vehicle, kind of over the top. You get a sense when you see what the vehicles that the Matchbox team chooses for Toy Fair. Obviously, they want to show off what they're all about. So you always get kind of an off-road thing. We've seen some really weird ones in the past. Starting with this Geo Rescue, that's when they started doing this copper color with this special box and plastic. Lots and lots of detail all over. You can see the detail from the top to the front to the sides. The Geo Rescue was a licensed model. We haven't seen too many of them since, but kind of spoke to that off-road crazy vehicle branding at the time in 2016. Well, we've seen things evolved. This has been the most sought after of the Toy Fair models. It is the Mercedes-Benz G63 Amg 6x6. Another over-the-top car, but it's a Mercedes. It's super cool. Beautiful, beautiful model. Understated in terms of the deco. Kind of falls in line with what the actual G63 looks like, the 6x6. But again, off-road, but more realistic, still over the top. Last year, still you're getting that off-road style. I think we're always going to see that. Separates it from Hot Wheels in terms of branding. And you can see same copper color. This is the Chevy Colorado. This model came out so early in the year, I think it's kind of been somewhat forgotten. 6x6 has not been, and this one definitely won't. Porsche 911 Rally. Abe was nice enough over at the Matchbox team to provide some pictures of the upcoming basic Porsche Rally, which is going to be available very early in 2019. I think later this year, actually. You're looking at those pictures right now. That is what it's going to be. So look for that in stores. When I do some upcoming Matchbox previews, I will definitely show that. But let's get back to, we can actually look at the casting. So let's open this up. Let's take a look at the actual model. I have not opened this, so this is the first time I am looking at it. Well, first off, let's just look at the base before we put on the roundabout. All right, don't drop it, John. Don't drop it. 1985 Porsche 911 Rally. There's a bunch of other details there. You can see all of the details. Now let's get this on the little turntable. So this one is obviously going to have a little bit more detail than what you're going to see in the basic range, at least. When we look at some premium models, you'll see this. But obviously the detailing on the top, it's a rally-style vehicle. I love they did this, the Datsun Rally. I think the Porsche Rally totally fits within that kind of style, within that kind of deco. If I say Toy Fair Porsche, I think a lot of you will think about that one. That's the Hot Wheels Toy Fair Porsche from 2016. They make a nice little pair. I'm going to have to photograph those together, don't you think? That's what I think. Anyway, there you go. 2019 Toy Fair 1985 Porsche Rally. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for 2019? You definitely should be. If you saw those previews you did from New Mexico. Oh, and I've got more previews for 2019 coming up. Wait till you see them. I'm telling you, you will love it. That's no hype. Well, it's totally hype, but it'll live up to it. All right, guys. Thanks to the Matchbox team for sharing. Lots more to come from Matchbox in 2019. Previews on the way. Thanks. Bye.